skills checks, no different academic checks that any other firefighter goes through. And a lot of the program, while it is academically tough, it's also very physical and it's mentally tough. Hi, I'm Morgan County Fire Chief Garrett Smith. We're here today to talk about the high school program that we have here in Morgan County that we currently have in process. We've got students from Morgan County High School and Putnam County High School in this current program. We started back at the first of the school year, and the students have done a great job so far. All of them are still with us, and I can't say enough about the things that they've done through the program and the learning that has taken place since they started. The program is actually based on the curriculum that all firefighters in the state of Georgia go through to become certified as a firefighter. A part of it is academic in nature and classroom studies, but then we also go out to the drill field and they will learn those practical skills that they study in the classroom and have to execute them during skills checks and testing. At the end of the program, once they've gone through the entire program, they will come in and be tested by the state and be certified as firefighters.